Hey guys, today's video is all about myself. You probably guessed from the title and my outfit. This video is all about the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, which has launched in Australia exclusively at Mecca, and this video is sponsored by them. So I'm going to be showing you my favorites from the range in a really cool look. This is very special to me. I love fruit themed things, firstly, but if you weren't aware, like I tell literally everyone that will stop long enough for me to tell them, my surname is a kind of cherry, and so that's why I was like mad excited for this palette, and then I almost died when they asked me to do this sponsored video. So we're gonna do a video inspired by myself. I really like the look of these. I'm so keen. Okay, so this is a fully themed video. I'm gonna try to do something really funky, and I think we should just get into it. I'm covering my face, you guys, because I don't want to give away the look. But the Notification Squad giveaway is to win this Urban Decay lipstick in Disturbed. Just be a Notification Squad member, so leave a comment within the first 12 hours, be subscribed, have the notifs on, and like the video in order to win this Urban Decay lipstick. Moving on. So, I'm going to start out by priming my eye. This is the NARS Light Eye Primer. Get it all up in there. Then I'll prime my face, guys. I'll prime using another food product. I'm just walking through Kohl's here, picking my makeup. Too Faced Primed in Peachy. I'm obsessed with all these fruit themed things lately. It's just really promoting a healthy lifestyle, and I love that. I really wanted to get the Too Faced Tutti Frutti, but it's not out in Australia, and I really want it. And then I'll put the foundation on now. I'm gonna use Becca Skin Love. One of the products they launched is the All-Nighter Cherry Scented Setting Spray, and I'm going to use that on my beauty blender. Oh, smells so good. Work that in there, and as you guys know, if you've watched any of my hack videos, I really like to mix in setting spray with my foundation because I feel like that just helps to get it to stay. I love this foundation. I don't know what is going on with my hand. This is so weird, but I've got like a line here, it's itchy. I've got this from when I did boxing. It went like this huge blister from boxing, and then this is like a mosquito bite or something. My hand just looks so gross. I apologize. Actually, no, I don't apologize. I just want to explain what it is. I'm sure it's all blended. La la la. Wow, my foundation smells so good now. Should we do brows? I feel like we should do brows before we move on. So the Brow Contour Pro from Benefit, it's pretty cool, like the whole concept of it, but I do find that it's quite thick, like to use, but I'll use it in this video now and show you guys what I think. So basically, it's got these like 4 components to it. It's got the deeper shade, a lighter shade, it's got a highlight color and a definer color for your eyebrows. So the idea is it's like one of those pens that you use in school, and you can click down whatever color you want. So I will take the lighter shade. This one's in Brown Light, by the way. So the color brown is the color of the brow pencil, and light is the color of the skin tone that it will match. Now it doesn't have a spoolie, which is like one thing that I wish that they had. Starting with the lightest shade. Using the darker color just to add in a couple more stray hairs. Then the definer, and you can use that like on the edges of the brow. It's essentially just concealer. Brow gel now. So base is on, brows are on. I'm gonna prime my lips. This is the Frank Body Lip Tint in Cherry Bomb. I'm just gonna put this on. It's really thick. Wait, maybe I'll just do it like this. It's just a nice cherry colored lip balm. I'm gonna wear that until I go ahead with my lips later on in the tutorial. Now I'm gonna go on to using the palette. So this is what the Urban Decay palette looks like. Same shape and size as all the other Naked palettes, but this one's with delicious cherry shades. It's got a double-ended brush. I'll take Caution mixed with Hotspot, sweeping that all over the brow bone. Okay, I'm gonna take Feels on the tip of the blending brush. I'm gonna nestle the brush right in here, this little like inner part of my eye, and wriggle it around. Same color on the outer part of the eye, kind of swooping out. Blend the edges. Adding that color right up under the eye as well. And connect it to the, that hurt. Connect it to the outer edge. So that's kind of what it looks like right now, a hot mess. There's this really fun color called Bing. I'm just gonna use that to deepen up the effect on the inner corner and on the outer corner. All right, we're gonna go with this shimmery color for the crease called Bang Bang. And sweep that over the lid as well. Taking Devilish, slowly deepening that look up, but being more precise with how we blend. Do you see what I'm doing, guys? Let's go deeper again with Drunk Dial. I'm loving the names for these. That has got some hectic fallout, that color. Have to fix it up later. And then I'm doing the outer C or the outer V. Okay, I'm gonna take the opportunity to use that original brush and blend everything out. Okay, Young Love is a pretty vibrant, nice shimmery shade. Let's take that. I'm gonna put that under the eye. All right, the darkest color is called Privacy. I'm gonna use that at the very outer parts. Okay, this is what I've got, and I really love it so far. It's kind of like editorial. I'm gonna take that Glam Jan Glimmer, what's it called again? Highliner Glam Glitter Gel Eye Crayon. Again, thanks for the really unnecessarily long name. But it's a red eyeliner. I used it in my recent Marc Jacobs video. Good. I'm then gonna take this loose dust from KKW in the color pink. I'm gonna put that on the inner corner of my eye for a pretty pink pop. Heavy Metal eyeliner in Catcall. I'm like cactus? Catcall. I'm just gonna get some of the glitter on the inner corner. I'll take a little bit of Black Market eyeliner on the outer corner of my eyeliner as well. This is part of the Cherry collection, by the way. I'll just keep it really close to the lashes though. For lashes, I'm going to use the Eylure Texture Lashes. Now, I currently have lash extensions on, so if I'm gonna put these on, I'm gonna refrain from putting on mascara until after I've applied them. So I'll go ahead and put these on right now. Oh my god, this is crazy because these lashes actually already have glue on them. Can you see that? There's like a little sticky strip on there, which is great for my lash extensions because it's not actually like getting wet glue in amongst my lashes. And they're actually really easy to apply. Pixi Lower Lash Mascara. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal, guys. This is the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I've never used this before. I don't wanna take it all the way in there because I, on purpose, blended it out there. But I do wanna brighten this up quite a bit. I'm not sure I'm a fan of like this doe foot size. I'm putting a lot here, I know. So have they discontinued the other one of this? I'm meant to be the one telling you guys. You're meant to be able to use this for heaps of different things like contouring and everything, so I'm gonna try that. I feel like that's gonna be too caramel for me, but it's there now. I mean, it's on there. It's staying. I did pale myself out a little bit more than I would have wanted when I put that concealer on, so this is probably just bringing it all back to something more realistic, hopefully. To mattify, I'll take my Estee Lauder Double Wear in 4N1. Just want to matte like here in my chin, really. For blush, I'm going to take Radiant Magenta. Kind of an odd choice, but I guess because it's like a purpley pink, I was drawn to it for this look. Yeah, I like it. I like that it kind of covered that little breakout that I have there. Okay, my lips are bare again now, and I just dabbed my Beauty Blender over them. Gonna take this Zoeva waterproof lip liner in BB7, creatively named. And then they released a lipstick called the Cherry Lipstick. I already kind of dug the lid into it by accident, but I'm going to put this on here, the inner part. Then I'm going to do a little lip workout. Do you want to know why I did that? Because I want to look like I've just bitten into a juicy cherry. The key to one of these ombre looks is to take a clear gloss. This is the lip gloss from MAC. Put some on a ready finger and dab it on. Make sure to get it over the edge of the lips so that you can see where the edge of my lips is, like the light reflects off it, because this look can make your lips look smaller if you don't do this. I have not put a highlighter on. Should I leave it like that? Or do you think I need it? Will beauty YouTube implode if I don't use highlighter? I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave it. Okay, the look is done. It's definitely a little bit more like editorial than you might be used to, but I wanted to try something fun and different. I'm gonna set everything with the cherry scented All Nighter. Oh, that smells so good. I wonder if the scent will stay all night or if it's just something that you get when you first spray it. Ain't gonna lie, that MAC lip gloss is a bit sticky. What a journey. This took me a long time to do. I have to say the eyeshadow is blended out really, really well. I'm really impressed with how the makeup looks like all together. Going deeper in this part of the eye is something that I've always like tried to do that I felt like I've never been able to pull off and get right, and I really think that I got it right today. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little take on the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. It's available now at Mecca, and that's it from me. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Thanks for tuning in. Love you a lot. Mwah.